For today's video, we would like to share to you a fun and easy way to make a Father's Day card from the comfort of your home. Start off by typing a little note or message why you love your dad, uncle, and or special person in your life. Print and then cut it out. Here we have used a colored A4 paper and folded it in half. Using a paper, cut out a heart shape. You can even use recycled magazines or newspapers. Hey girls, what are we making? Popsicles?
Yeah.
No, we're not making popsicles today. Do you know what day it is on Sunday?
Monday.
Yeah, Monday is after Sunday, but it's Father's Day!
Monday.
Yay! We're making a Father's Day card for Daddy. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Windy.
It's very windy. Are you ready, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. Place your heart template in the middle of your card. You can hold the template using tape or blue tack. Using white acrylic paint, ask your child to decorate the sides of the heart. Once done, you can write the word DAD in the front of the card and then ask your child to stick in their note or message on the inside of the card. You can be more creative by decorating the inside of the card using various art materials. We would like to wish all fathers a happy Father's Day. Enjoy!